Let's explore the top 5 Internet of Things, also known as IoT Development Platforms. This guide provides an overview of leading IoT solutions. We'll cover various tech icons, so get ready to dive into the world of IoT. So, what exactly is an IoT development platform? It is a comprehensive software suite that provides the tools, services, and infrastructure needed to build, deploy, and manage IoT applications and connected devices at scale. These platforms offer features like device connectivity and management, data analytics and visualization, and cloud integration and scalability. First on our list is Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS IoT Core. One of its key features is device authentication and security. It supports MQTT and HTTP protocols. It offers real-time message processing with a global infrastructure. Here is a quick setup example using Python and the Boto 3 library to initialize the IoT client and create an IoT thing named MyIoT device of type sensor device. Next, we have Microsoft Azure IoT. It provides enterprise-grade security, artificial intelligence, also known as AI, and machine learning integration. It has IoT Central, a no-code platform, and digital twin capabilities. The code snippet shows how to create a device client using the Azure IoT device library and connect it to the Azure IoT Hub. Our third platform is Google Cloud IoT. It offers advanced analytics using BigQuery, end-to-end encryption, real-time data processing, and global edge computing capabilities. This code example demonstrates how to create a device registry using the Google Cloud IoT version 1 library. Coming in at number 4 is IBM Watson IoT. It provides AI-powered insights, predictive maintenance, cognitive analytics, and visual recognition application programming interfaces, also known as APIs. This snippet shows how to connect to Watson IoT using the WIAP Software Development Kit, also known as SDK device library, with the device configuration including the organization ID and authentication token. Finally, we have ThingWorx. ThingWorx offers an industrial IoT focus, rapid application development, augmented reality integration, and model-based development. Here's an example of how to create a Thing template called Temperature Sensor, using ThingWorx's entity services. In conclusion, choosing the right IoT platform depends on your specific needs. Each of these platforms, including Amazon Web Services IoT Core, Azure IoT, Google Cloud IoT, IBM Watson IoT, and ThingWorx, offers unique strengths. Consider your specific requirements, budget, and technical expertise when making your selection. Thank you. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.